students. Once again, welcome to editing class. Students, today we will study on the concept that is edit planning. First, we try to know the meaning of what is edit planning. Planning is required to complete the edit effectively within the specified time. Edit planning is a process of deciding in advance what is to be done, who is to do it, how it is to be done, and when it is to be done by the editor in order to have efficient and effective completion of work. For effective and efficient edit work, the editor has to prepare a proper scheme of work and decide the techniques which are needed to collect evidence. Well planned and effectively controlled edit enhances the quality of edit work. Next, we'll study on objectives of edit planning. The first objective is it ensures that appropriate attention is devoted to important areas of edit. Here, edit planning it helps the editor and his assistants to concentrate on the important areas of that is edit. So, with a proper planning, so such areas can be identified. Second one ensures that potential problems are promptly identified. So here, the edit planning it helps well in advance to identify the potential problems. So that may arise in the future course of the edit work. Next, third objective is ensures that the work is completed expeditiously. So in a very fast manner. So work can be completed. So that is possible with well planned edit. Next one is fourth one utilizes the assistants properly. So work of the edit assistants can be utilized properly. Say proper distribution of work and getting the work from the edit assistants is possible through edit planning. Next one is fifth one coordinates the work done by other editors and experts. So here in the process of edit work, so the help of the other editors and the experts, so their contribution is also needed. So their contribution, their work can be coordinated with the main editor. Okay? So through edit planning. Next, we will go for that is steps in edit planning. So basically here, edit planning it involves 5 different steps. One is determination of scope of edit. Second one is gaining knowledge of client's business accounting system. Then third one is gaining knowledge of internal control. Fourth one is determination of audit program. Then fifth one is manpower planning or division of work. First one would study on the determination of scope of audit. Here, an editor works in different capacities such as accountant, editor, consultant, etc. While acting as an editor, he has to express his opinion about the correctness of the financial statements. As an accountant, he should scrutinize the accounts of the client, and as a consultant, he should give valuable suggestions to his client. The scope of audit depends on the audit engagement letter. Generally, there is no standard form for audit engagement letter is concerned. It shows what the editor is expected to do, and usually the edit engagement letter contains the following. First one is editor's role, that includes whether editor is playing the role as an accountant or an editor or a consultant. Second one, matters to be edited, opinion to be expressed, certifications to be done, areas over which expert advice is to be sought. So these are the things which should be covered. Third one, duties of client during audit documents, duties of the client during the audit, especially the checking of documents, statement, then facilities to be provided and prepared. Then fourth one is limitations of audit, which may include setting out inherent limitations. So that usually come across during the course of audit work. Then fifth one, duration of audit. Usually it includes scheduling of time, designing audit program in brief, etc. Then sixth one is auditor's remuneration, then reimbursement of say the expenses that is incurred by the auditor during the course of audit. So usually these are generally covered in the audit engagement letter. Now, the second step in audit planning is gaining knowledge of client's business and accounting system. Auditor is concerned to gain general and specific knowledge about the client, line of business, details of process employed, trend in industry, impact of government policies, accounting practices, etc. This knowledge can be obtained from trade journals, magazines, annual reports, working papers, audit files, then visit to clients' premises and plant facilities, discussion with the client, etc. Next, third step is gaining knowledge of internal control. So we'll come with the second important chapter, the internal control. So what is internal control? So we are going to discuss in the next coming topic. But here, for the time being, what is internal control? We will discuss in brief. That is gaining knowledge of internal control. The auditor is to get information about the internal check and internal control system. The system of internal control is the plan of organization and all methods and procedures adopted by the management for effective and efficient management of organization, such as internal control system that ensures safeguarding of assets, prevention and detection of error and fraud, the accuracy and completeness of the accounting records, and timely preparation of reliable financial information. Such knowledge helps the editor a lot in performing his audit work. Then fourth one is determination of audit program. And about the audit program again, we'll come back with the concept discussion. But for the time being, what is audit program? We'll discuss in brief. Here, the editor has to draft the audit program, which is a plan of action that provides a plan of work of examination and set of audit procedures. Then the last step of audit planning is this manpower planning or division of work. So last step in the audit planning, and in this stage the editor has to plan the division of work among the audit assistants. The chief editor has to supervise and give finishing touch to the work done by the assistants. Thank you.